Today we're going to talk about why email marketing is not dead and how you should be using it in your business to make more sales and more connections with your audience. Hey y'all, my name is Aquania Escarne. I'm the creator and founder of The Purpose of Money, a platform that teaches you how to build wealth $1 at a time. Today we're going to talk about email marketing because I have a little secret to tell you. I've secretly built a six-figure business being a ghostwriter for large Instagram platforms, and what I do best for them is their emails, connecting them to their audience on a regular basis, so when they send out an email selling a product, service, or course, they get the clicks they need to get the revenue. Most people think it's all about social media and being present on the gram, but let me tell you, email marketing still is a very profitable way to make money in your business, but you need to be emailing your audience. So today I'm going to share some valuable tips on how you can leverage your email list to make more sales and to connect more with your target audience. So first up, let's talk about the freebie. It's super important that you add value before you ask for something from someone else. So we normally do that by putting out a free product, free service, free course, free checklist. Those are all types of freebies you can offer your audience. And when you offer those, in exchange for the freebie, they're normally willing to give you their email address. In exchange for the email address, you need to honor that opportunity to nurture that person. And then when you do pitch a product to sell, they'll be more willing to buy. So if you are a new business or an existing business and you haven't solidified your freebies, now is a great time to think about what is something simple that you can create and give to your target audience that would let them give you their email address. Once you've established that connection, make sure you immediately deliver, okay? Deliverability rates are super important to the success of your emails to your audience. So you want to make sure you send that first email immediately. And you want to send a message that not only do you hold up your end of the bargain to deliver, but you give them something right away that allows their email service provider, most cases it's Google, the opportunity to know that you're someone they want to hear from. Opening that first email helps ensure that your other emails also end up in someone's inbox instead of in their spam box. So you want to make sure you have a system in place to deliver that freebie ASAP and make it what you said it would be so they get the value right away. Now it's up to you to continue to nurture your audience by providing them continuous value based on whatever service or product you offer. For most people, this means having a well-established welcome series. So the second thing you need in your business to really grow is to have a series of emails you send to new subscribers immediately after that first email. You might want to send it the next day or 2 days later, but you want to make sure that in those emails, you continue to provide content that's valuable to your audience, but also may highlight what you do. So for example, in my email welcome series, I'm highlighting other tips about life insurance, books that I love and that I think they should read. And I'm also letting them connect with me with a free consultation link. So if you have something else you offer that allows you to go from email to in-person, offer those things in your welcome sequence so that your customers will then click and take action to connect with you. And of course, if you're really, really good at what you do, maybe by the third or fourth email, you can actually pitch a paid product. This is a great way to let them know what value you can add, but also to keep them on your list. So utilize that as an opportunity to get to know your people. The next thing you want to do in your business is find a reason and a cadence in which you want to send emails. I always tell my clients, we are not going to email people for the sake of emailing. You want to make sure that you're emailing for a purpose, and every single email has a goal, a call to action, or something else that makes sense for your business, so the person receiving it doesn't feel like you're wasting their time. So before you send an email, make sure it fits in your overall goals for that week, that month, or that day, and make sure that you're adding value every single time. So I hope these 3 tips are helpful. These are especially good for anyone who's just starting out. And I'm going to give you more email marketing tips in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, keep building generational wealth. Bye-bye.